This is how I fixed my error 10 code on my SW-900 LCD screen. So, and it may be different for somebody else. I mean, this is just what happened to my particular bike. And the reason it happened is because I hooked it up a headlight up through the computer. It was a regular 12-volt headlight. I really have no idea what happened, but it winded up burning out a part in my LCD screen. So if I flip this over, don't mind this one, I'll explain that one in a moment. But this one right here, you can kind of see, I should have turned the light on, but you can kind of see it's black around this one right here. Well, it says it was having communication issues when I looked it up, is what that error 10 code was. So anyway, I ended up taking this apart and found that all black, so I'm like, well, F it, I'm going to put a jumper cable right there. So I did, and lo and behold, it worked. So now everything works good. I do have mine on the ignition key right now. So after that jumper cable, there is no error 10 code. Everything works fine. Now just to explain the other jumper real quick, that was just something I messed up on. Screen came loose after working on it and kind of knocked off whatever was right here, and I just put another jumper cable, and that happened to work too. The monitor was completely dead when this was off, so maybe if anybody else is having some issues with the monitor, getting any kind of power or something like that, maybe check that as well. If it's burned up, maybe you can also put a jumper there. So just check out what you got and go from there. So the only drawback from putting that jumper on there for that error 10 code is that even if you turn your computer off from the screen, you still have throttle, like it's still on. See? So I actually have an ignition switch in here anyway, so I don't really have that issue because now everything's off either way. So just if somebody winds up doing that jumper on there, just be aware that your throttle will still be active unless you put a battery disconnect. Hopefully this video helps you out, and good luck.